Okay, guys, so we're adding Seafoam to the crankcase, to the oil. Yo, Noah. But just so I can show you guys, so crankcase oil, Seafoam helps keep your engine running clean by removing harmful oil residues and deposits that can restrict oil flow and engine lubrication. So directions: add 1 ounce for each quart of oil in the crankcase. There is 16 ounces in this can, and I have I think it's 7. I think my truck takes 7.3 quarts of oil. Okay, so we're just gonna pour this in, bottoms up. Just like that. And we'll put the cap back on, and we'll let this run. I do believe you can just use this, add it to your oil, and run it. We're going to run it and do an oil change. So we're going to run this for a bit, maybe like 20 minutes or something. Hopefully that loosens up a lot of the crud that's inside there. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to show you what the truck sounds like, and we'll start it. I got 182 on this. So, starting the truck, this is what it sounds like. Go on this side, it doesn't sound that bad. Probably a little bit more of a tick on the right side than the left, but so we're going to let this run for about 10 minutes, and then we'll do the oil change. So if you guys are wondering, I'm not going to show you how to do the oil change in this video, but if you want to see how the oil change is done, you can go onto my page and look at the oil change on the truck that I did right after this. But that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.